that you will not be remembered. Just sooner, it's just the way it is. Everything has to die to make room for the new. You know, the tree dies to decompose, to become the forest, so new trees can be born. So there's your reincarnation.
Mm-hmm.
It's happening every moment, reincarnation.
Yeah, beautiful.
So you could say nothing ever dies, it's just recycled. You know, our bodies are composed of material that made up other bodies in the past and will make up new bodies in the future, so to say. You know, all our thoughts are based on previous, you know, thoughts. So everybody contributes to this equally, whether they know it or not.
Yeah. I feel like this that we call awakening, it's just becoming more sensitive to, you know, discernment between what seems to be actual and tangible, you know, sense perceptions, and that which is symbolic or imagined. So there's an energetic belief that sort of fizzles out in that
Mm,
symbolic realm.
nice.
Not 100% or anything, but it's lighter.
Yeah.
You can see it for what it is, you know, much more often. It's the fleetingness of it.
Yes. We sh- can we talk about that?
Sure.
The fleetingness, you know, what makes a flower beautiful? Imagine if a flower never died. It wouldn't be beautiful. If it was always the sunset, it wouldn't be beautiful. It's the fact that the flower dies, it's temporary. So that's what we all have in common. Whether it's we're talking a flower, a sunset, the rain, humans, you name it. Our commonality with everything is our coming and going.
Yeah, it brings a preciousness to life, the contrast.
Well, it's the great equalizer because it doesn't matter if you're a king or a slave, if you're a prisoner or a cop. We all, whether you're a carrot or a tomato, everything is impermanent, and that's what we don't notice. It's our common bond. So suddenly there's now great compassion for everyone and everything, whether they know it or not.